Oh my gosh.
Devin, you gotta look at this before it stops. It's amazing.
I'm actually a server. This
Okay, hurry up and watch. It's a freaking helicopter.
this server, I get crap on.
What? Oh, here we go. It's recording.
This helicopter Nazi's about to F you up, boy. He's losing momentum.
Oh no, Devin, you're gonna miss it.
Now he's just dancing. Just like slapping back.
Get psyched.
Oh boy. Let's go again. Oh. Yeah. It's Hitler. he's like just like stomping his arms and feet like a baby.
Oktoberfest. Oh god.
Oh, you just capped him. He's just spraying the place down. Take their guns before the. You just shove that in his armpit.
Fight the boss.
Just like emoji that one. Just...
When he fell over, he said Mein Kampf. Oh,
Sieg Heil.
and I got my little red gun. Oh no, it's them.
It's the Kappas.
Oh god.
He's gonna chomp you up. He just like took out his leg and he just face planted.
Oh,
Not Fido.
oh, let's see if we can. Oh, oh,
And then
there he
vanished.
goes. Oh, this guy should be Snitchel.
Just finish him. Just end it all.
There we go. Now we got a show.
Oh, they're at 90%. Now you're ready to go. Ready to get wet.
Oh shit.
What up?
Oh, oh. Oh, is he gonna do it?
He's not giving up. Oh, he's like, yeah, screw this, I'm done. Did you even did you even stab him?
I think he shot it. Oh,
He didn't seem to care. Oh, just like erased his face.
Mein Kampf. Snitchel.
Is that all they say?
Yep, they say Snitchel Mein Kampf.
He's just toast.
We're all soldiers now.
He's just got his machine gun freaking pistol. Just the door just said nope. Oh, you just stuck that dog good. Push it into the wall.
Oh shit, another one. Oh! They all phased out.
They just cease to exist.
Fighting.
Blazing away. He's just like shooting thing.
Maglieben.
He just like throat shot at him. The door, but instead just digs through the wall. We're gonna get you. You just. Oh, he's getting back up. He ain't giving up.
He's the helicopter man.
Are you sure that's a helicopter,
Yeah,
dude?
it's a helicopter man. He's the only white guy.
Oh, it's racist. He's just like, he makes firing a gun randomly look like an art.
Oh, there we go. He is now disarmed.
Phase him out of existence.
Oh!
He's gonna get.
Oops, he's doing rolls.
He's a bit drunk.
He's a bit
He said-
drunk.
He said one
Oh,
solution.
we
He's gonna get you. Helicopter mode engaged. Oh, he kinda got bored of it. It's like somebody's just dangling him with a string. They just push him into the wall.
I got Reese's Puffs in my bowl.
Doing some head
on
spin.
cruise control.
Little break
I got
dance.
Reese's Puffs in my bowl. And just like that, I'm on a roll. Reese's Puffs, Reese's Puffs.
Down.
Oh, look, he's hanging out with it.
What up? Those dogs are fixing on eating you. Out. He's coming at you. When the game's on insane difficulty, he just vaporized. The sheer awesomeness coming from this dog vaporized him.
When you're a pupper. When
This
you
guy's
bork three
skill.
When you only are allowed 2 borks a day and you bork a 3rd time and go into bork overdrive.
Then phase out of existence. This dog is the master. He knows what is up. It's just stuck him. This is stuck it right in his hand. Took about 30 of them to kill him. It's just, he just got executed.
Oh. And
You
now
stuck
he's
like
rough.
40. Just Hail Hitler. Hail Hitler.
Hey
He
guys,
died
Hitler
hailing.
knew.
Might be when it might be a double upload.
Oh.
When there is no double upload. That's my reaction when there's no double upload.
When you hail it too much.
When you hail the gay
He
Hitler.
got a fucking dick on his head.
I know. I tried to point it out earlier. They got like a freaking dick on their helmet.
Look, he's a proper man.
Just sig hail. Sig hail. Even
Hail
in
the
death,
few.
no, he's killing the gay Hitler. He just like stuck that in the side of his forehead. Yeah, there's no recovering from that.
It's an earpiece.
That's the face of a man who's died 1,000 times.
There he is. He got some miniguns on his hands.
Oh gosh. Casually sticking with a knife.
Bark, 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 bark.
The dog's gonna mess you up.
Ruff, ruff, he says.
Sig hail.
He's needed in a different galaxy.
I was adjusting myself. Oh. He's gonna make it just peppering him with knives. When you get dinked over 20 times.
I think he's dead.
Well, you just threw 3 knives into his crotch. Like 3 into his wiener. It's just when mom doesn't cook chicken.
There you go. He's my new best friend.
Sig hail.
Take your helmet off. I need my knives back, thank you.
Just beat him off him. He deserves to be phased out of existence.
Well, I got all these bullets, so.
Okay. Turns out there's an next stage to the level that you really needed bullets for. That poor dog.
Move him back.
Just start beating his corpse. When you want your knives back, just beat the dead corpse of a dog. Just stuck him in his forehead. He's just like, what did I ever do to you?
You boated me.
He's just going along with you. Oh, there goes all your knives. But you still got your shovel.
The Nazis.
The Nazi Scrooge has been defeated.
That was easy.
Hope you had fun, smiley